Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between Redmi Note 8 Pro versus a Samsung Galaxy A30s. A30s comes with Samsung Exynos 7904 processor with a 4GB of RAM, while the Redmi Note 8 Pro comes with MediaTek Helio G90T chipset with 6GB of RAM. On the back is having triple cameras on the back. Main sensor is having a 64 megapixel on the Note 8 Pro, which is amazing. And A30s comes with a 25 megapixel main sensor. So let's get right into it. So starting off by booting both phones up at the same time, and logo came up first just a tiny bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A30s. And let's see. And you can see Redmi Note 8 Pro is super duper faster than the Samsung Galaxy A30s, and A30s is still taking so much time compared to the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Now it is also done about 4 or 5 second difference there when it comes of the booting up. A30s comes with a 720p Super AMOLED display versus a Full HD IPS LCD display on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So let's see the apps openings. So like always, everything is closed up in the background, no application in the background. Phone dialer, and that is little bit faster on the Redmi Note 8 Pro with a faster animation. I think A30s is right behind launching the settings, and that is again little bit faster on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So moving on with the My Files, and that is little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A30s, followed by the Redmi Note 8 Pro. The calendar, that is little bit faster on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So moving on with some more application like My Clock on both phones, and you can see that is little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A30s, followed by the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So moving on with some games applications. So first we got is the Candy Crush Saga. Redmi Note 8 Pro is done, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A30s, about 1 or 2 second difference here. And you can see, and the app's opening speed is definitely quicker on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So launching the Subway Surfer, and you can see super duper quick on the Redmi Note 8 Pro, while the A30s now it is also done about 2 or 3 second difference there. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and you can see again super duper faster speed we see on the Redmi Note 8 Pro, while the A30s is just a tiny bit slower compared to the Note 8 Pro in games apps loading times. So last, I'm gonna launching the cameras application on both phones. Faster on the Redmi Note 8, A30s is right behind, and you can see. So let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Google Chrome on both phones, same Wi-Fi network on these devices. Wikipedia.org, first website, and you can see that is faster on the Redmi Note 8 Pro, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A30s, and the scrolling is smooth on both phones. Same thing with zooming in out. So next website is the apple.com, and let's see, MediaTek Helio G90T is much better than the Exynos 7904 inside the A30, and you can see Redmi Note 8 done, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A30s. Again, scrolling is very smooth on both phones, same thing with zooming in and out. So let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, 6GB of RAM versus a 4GB RAM on the A30s. So let's see the settings, no refresh. Let's My Files, and that got refresh on the Redmi Note 8 Pro with 6GB of RAM. Again refresh on the Redmi Note 8 Pro, while the A30s is looks like amazing in the RAM measurement. And again Redmi Note 8 Pro is showing me a white area first, then it is showing me the app. So it is refresh on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Subway Surfer, again refresh, no doubt, and that is not refresh on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. And internet browser, and guys, you can see that the app's opening speed is definitely way faster on the Redmi Note 8 Pro with a MediaTek Helio G90T chipset. A30s is right behind, about 2 or 3 second difference there in games apps or in times. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between Samsung Galaxy A30s versus a Redmi Note 8 Pro. RAM management is also incredible on the A30s, but Redmi Note 8 Pro is not showing much better RAM management performance compared to the Samsung Galaxy A30s. So I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.